Every project starts with commitment. By opening the Daruma's first eye, we ask for perseverance for the mission ahead. Our aim: defining the future. Across our locations in Germany, we develop cutting-edge, high-quality solutions for sustainable railway transport. 120 years of experience in the global railway industry merge with Japanese-German engineering expertise. Railway technology solutions evolve out of competence and new innovations, realized by a team driven by passion and ambition. Our modular solutions simplify maintenance and are designed to seamlessly integrate future functionalities. Together with our partners, we build customized systems focusing on climate-friendly shunting locomotives. Trust and dedication are the foundation of our organization, built upon the values we embrace and cherish. Driven by this passion, we push forward, always motivated and constantly striving for quality. Each time we turn on the promise of a new day, together we create the vision of tomorrow. Upon achieving our goals, we draw the Daruma's second eye and pause for a moment to be grateful for what we have accomplished. Toshiba, committed to people, committed to the future.